5 Garib Rath Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Mahamana Express is scheduled to depart from platform number
Okay, noted.
3.
Only the middle track
Passengers,
is live.
your kind attention please.
Please slow down
Train
and
number
follow the updated speed limit.
12655
Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
This is the station master again. You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now. Thank you for the cooperation.
Okay, am I clear to enter Arakonam Junction?
Yes, sir. You will be entering platform number 3.
Thank you.
Shatabdi Superfast Express is arriving at platform number 5. Passengers, Shatabdi Superfast Express is